Here is a Digimon that I've planned to draw up for the playlist for ever since April. Tonight we're going to draw Quantamon. Quantamon is one of the final characters revealed on Digimon Ghost Game. I don't know much about her. He does remind me of Gardevoir.
Is this going to be the way this is going to be all day? Okay. All right. Okay. So it's out now because now we're going. Now it's starting to circle start. Okay. Yeah, it is. It is. It is. I don't know. Okay. I don't know. I can't answer to it because now I really have to work. Okay. This is the same kind of fucking station. Okay. I answered all along. Okay. I do things the way I do it. It might not be rhyme or reason. As you know, I've told you plenty of times. I've been asked where the hell did I come from? Okay? And that's how I am. And you talking and talking and talking and talking is not going to change. So
There we are.
I've said it all along. I said it yesterday. Also my court. I'm very aware of it. And they're all real words, though. But it's all real words. It's all real words. Stop. Every day I'm fucking hammering. I got other shit also.
There we are.
You just keep on looking. Okay, you might care, but it certainly doesn't look like you do.
Now here's the hand.
But there's plenty of other
Here is Quantamon's clothes. There's the echo that she has after touching the floor. Her body has a special aura after she touches the ground. There we are. Now we draw the numbers here. There's 9, 8, 0, 1, 6, 1, 9.
I didn't say it wasn't for me.
Sorry about that. Just had to grab one of these.
What happened, Sad?
There we go.
No, somebody's cleaning it. Oh, okay. All about this, all about this, all about this. I'm sure I have other things to talk about.
There we are.
Okay.
And
Well, because you enveloped the whole conversation.
that is how you draw quantamon.
Something we
I don't know why these numbers are surrounding the place, but this is what,
I know.
well, I don't know why I have these, but this is part of the body design.
There's nothing else.
Anyhow,
There's nothing else that's
sorry about that, I
happening.
just haven't eaten anything in a while.
Okay, I got work and anxiety.
Quantamon, if you please.
You fucking killed me.
Oh, wow,
Yeah,
thank you.
yeah, yeah.
Thanks. Anyway, that's how you draw a quantamon. There's going to be more Digimon coming soon. Be sure to let me know which one you want me to draw next. I'm always here. I won't stop until it's all complete. Shoot. Forgot about this one. Anyway, Stegosaurus, see you later, guys. Farewell.